Hello all, welcome to Shriya Cotton House. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Please be at home, don't go out unnecessarily. Stay positive, hope everything gets better soon. So now in this video we will be showing you one of the most requested item, that's kurtis. We have got a very good response and feedback for our kurtis. So we have launched few more designs in our website today. So all the items are available in the website. We have mentioned with the price and details. So if you like to book any of the item, you can directly log into our website and you can place your orders. Or if you have any issues, you can take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. So now let me show you the items in details. This is the first kurti. It's a pure muslin silk item. Actually, it's a semi-party wear kind of a kurti. This is. So it comes in a very beautiful indigo blue color. So this is the overall view of the top. Pure muslin silk fabric this is, and you will be getting a very beautiful handwork on the yoke part. A beautiful handwork you will be getting. 3/4 sleeve, you will be getting a 3/4 sleeve in this. So this is the sleeve part you will be getting. And this set comes with the straight cut pant, a fully printed straight cut pant you will be getting in this. So this is the pant you will be getting. This is also a muslin fabric. So this is how the set looks. A very beautiful semi-party wear kind of an item. This is a fully printed top. We'll be getting a print on the back side also, and also on the sleeves. A very simple but an elegant item. So this is the overall view. So let me show you the next item. Next item is a rayon item. A very beautiful pink color kurti with all over prints. So all these are prints, and also you will be getting a beautiful neck work on the yoke part, and also some bead work here and there. And you will be getting a 3/4 sleeve in this with a small kota patti work. So this is also a very pretty item. It's a beautiful color. It's a baby pink with beige color stripes all over the yoke. So all these items are available in the website. We have got almost 3 colors in this. Let me show you when I get. So this is how the overall view looks. So this is the next color. We are in the same design. It's a kind of a light beige with dark beige combination. So all these are printed work. So the fabric is rayon fabric. This is very comfortable rayon item. This is not a transparent fabric. This is, and the same you will be getting a similar work on the yoke. So this is the work you will be getting, a beautiful hand work and also a patch work. This is also a 3/4 sleeve. So this is the overall view. We have got one more color in this. So that's a light pista green color. Almost we have got three colors in this. One is baby pink and light dark beige and kind of a pista green. This is just the color varies. All the designs will be same. We have mentioned with the measurements in the website, so please do check the measurements before ordering, as we don't take returns due to the size issues. Very beautiful and comfortable fabric this is, and this is the handwork you will be getting. So this is also a semi-party wear kind of an item. So this is the overall view. So almost 3 colors we have got. I have mentioned the price above. Please do check it, and also we have mentioned the price in the website. And the next one is also a rayon item, a very beautiful and an elegant rayon item. This is, you will be getting in all over prints. So this is the top. You will be getting in all over print. So this is a dark navy blue color, but it's looking like a black. We'll be getting a piping work on the daman part, and this is a close neck type. So this is the sleeve part. You'll be getting a very pretty buttons on the yoke part, and this button can be removed. Only the first button can be removed, remaining all fixed buttons. And we will be getting a very beautiful your hand work. This is a 3/4 hand. The pictures all available in the website. This is how the overall view looks. It's a kind of a close neck type. See, this is the neck part and this is the sleeve part. 3/4 sleeve you will be getting. In this also we have got almost 3 colors. So this is the first color, it's a navy blue, and the next one is dark red color. So most of the item comes with the side slit. So this is the slit you will be getting, and this is the color. It's a dark red color, beautiful color this is. So it's a complete printed rayon top this is. And you will be getting a fancy buttons on the yoke part. These are the buttons. And this is the sleeve portion. So this is the second color in this. We have got 4 colors in this, sorry. So this is the third color. It's a beautiful grey color this is, light grey. Beautiful pastel color this is. You will be getting a contrast prints all over the top. It's a rayon fabric, top fabric is rayon. So this is the view. Comes with the 3/4 sleeve, a beautiful patchwork on the sleeve part, and also you'll be getting a button work on the sleeve. So all these items comes in a very budget friendly price and also very comfortable for daily wear and all. We have got one more color in this. It's a light blue color, pastel blue this is. So in almost we have got until M to XXL we have got. So this is the next color. It's a kind of light blue. So all these items are not transparent. Very comfortable rayon item this is. So this is the sleeve part. This is the neck portion you will be getting. So let me show you the next item. Next item is a silk cotton item, premium quality silk cotton this is. So this is also a very comfortable item. You will be getting a complete embroidery work. All these are embroideries. See the texture of the fabric. Very comfortable fabric this is. And you will be getting a partly button works on the yoke part. A neat work these are. This is also a 3/4 sleeve. So this is the sleeve, and you will be getting a buttons on the end of the sleeve. It's a beautiful pista green color, light green color this is. So this is how the overall view looks. So for all the items we have mentioned the price above, and also in the website we have mentioned the price with available sizes. Please do check it. So while booking in the WhatsApp, please do take a screenshot and let us know with the size. So this is the next item. It's a kind of a long gown type. You will be getting a complete floral prints. So this is also a rayon fabric, a very comfortable rayon fabric this is. The color looks too good. So this is the yoke part. You will be getting a simple button on the yoke part, and on the also sleeve you will be getting a simple button work. So all these are 3/4 sleeve. All the items which I am showing are all 3/4 sleeve type. A very lengthy flare you will be getting. See the length of the flare. It's a long gown type actually. So this is the overall view. So in this also we have got one more color. This is the first color. It's a light grey, and we have got a cream color in this. It's a very pretty item. So this is the next color. It's a cream color. You will be getting a complete prints. So it's not a transparent fabric. See. So the yoke part looks very cute in this set. See. You will be getting a cut work on side of the neck part. And this is the sleeve you will be getting. A beautiful button you will be getting in the sleeve part. This is how the set looks. And the next is also a rayon item, a fully printed rayon item. This is a beautiful peacock blue color. You will be getting an all over prints and also a foil mirror work. All these are wooden buttons. These are fixed buttons, can't be removed. First button alone can be removed. Remaining all are fixed buttons. A very beautiful color this is. You will be getting a front slit in this and also the side slit in this set. So this is the overall view. So in this also we have got one more color. This is the first color. It's a kind of a peacock blue. So the next one is yellowish green. So this is the color, beautiful color. This is yellowish green. So it comes with the wooden buttons and also foil mirror works. All these are foil mirrors with the golden thread embroidery. See the texture of this is a rayon fabric, but it looks like a silk cotton, but these are a rayon item. So all these are 3/4 sleeve. So next is a very beautiful item. It's a pure cotton fabric and you'll be getting a complete embroidery work. See, this is the pure cotton top and all these are complete machine embroidery work. So all these are beautiful embroideries. You'll be getting a complete embroidery work. Pure cotton top this is, and it comes with a very beautiful buttons on the yoke part. Beautiful fancy buttons. The complete embroidery top this is, and this is also a 3/4 sleeve. A simple but a very pretty item this is. 3/4 sleeve you will be getting. So in this we have got only one color. Looks very pretty when you wear this item. So all these are available in the website. So the next one is again a rayon item that comes with the beautiful palazzo bottom. So this is the top, beautiful peach color top. This is. So this is also a rayon item. It comes with a beautiful thread work on the yoke part. So all these are thread work. So this is the top you will be getting, and fully printed palazzo bottom this is. So this looks very pretty. So this item is not available in the website. So if you like to book this item, you can take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. So this is the bottom you will be getting, a beautiful bottom, fully printed rayon bottom this is. So the next is also a rayon item. So these are all very budget friendly item, but looks to a very elegant look. So this is the top. It's a kind of light brown color, and you will be getting a beautiful embroideries in the yoke part. A simple but a neat item this is, and you will be getting a 3/4 sleeve, a plain sleeve this is. So in this almost we have got 7 colors. This is the first color. Just the color alone varies. The remaining embroidery part all will be same. So this is the next color. This is a very beautiful color, kind of a purplish grey. So this is a rayon fabric, but it's look like a silk cotton. These are all rayon fabrics. The embroidery looks too good. And this is the next color. It's a beautiful yellow color, lemon yellow color this is. Very pretty color. See the embroidery, looks very pretty. So we have got totally 7 colors in this. And the next one is beautiful Rani pink color this is. See, beautiful, looks too good when you wear it. Not a transparent fabric this is. A simple round neck, the 3/4 sleeve. The next one is peach color, light peach color this is. So this is also a very nice color. So it looks like a cotton, but it's a rayon item this is. The texture looks like a cotton. These are all rayon items. The next one is beautiful blue color this is. Greenish blue. So this is the overall view. And we have one more color in this, that's a light baby pink. So this is also a very beautiful color. So we have got almost 7 colors in this. All looks too good for a very budget friendly price. And this is next item. It's a silk cotton item, premium quality silk cotton this is. And you will be getting a thread weaving all over the top. So all these are thread weavings. And you will also be getting a wooden button works. So all these are wooden button works. The first button alone can be removed. The remaining all are fixed buttons. This also you will be getting a 3/4 sleeve. It's a black color. And we have got one more color in this. That's a navy blue color. So while booking, please mention the colors. One is black and one is navy blue. Both will be same. Just the color varies. All these are thread weavings, and you will be getting a wooden button works from the top to bottom and a 3/4 sleeve. So that's all for today's video. I hope you all like the collections. All the items are available in our website. If you have any issues, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. Else, please do book your orders directly in the website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com. I'll meet you all tomorrow with a new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye-bye.